Right now, somewhere in America, a 41-year-old man is running, full speed, in the World Cup.
Most players his age? They're retired, coaching, watching from the couch.
But not him,
Why not?
because of one word. Just one word.
And today, we're talking about that word.
Discipline.
Hey everyone, I'm Anna,
And I'm Paul.
and this is Easy Lingo English.
So today's episode is a little different.
Yeah, we're not just teaching English today.
We're teaching a mindset too, through a true story.
The story of Cristiano Ronaldo. Maybe you know him, maybe you don't.
Doesn't matter, because this isn't really about football.
It's about something every single one of us deals with.
That moment when you want to study English.
You just don't feel like it.
Yeah, we've all been there.
And by the end of this episode, you'll understand one simple idea,
Simple.
but powerful.
Let's get into it.
Okay, here's a strange fact.
I love facts.
Ronaldo is 41.
41! In football, that's old. Really old.
Most players retire by 35.
But last year, his trainers checked his body with a special tracker.
And the result?
His body acted like a 28-year-old's body.
Wait, 28?
13 years younger on the inside.
Scientists have a name for this. They call it biological age. Biological age, how old your body really feels and works, not the number on your ID card.
Biological age.
Say it with us.
When people asked him how, he said something really short.
He said, the data doesn't lie.
The data doesn't lie. Good.
So what's he actually doing every day?
He sleeps in small pieces, short naps, not one long night.
He eats small meals. No sugar, no alcohol. He trains even after games, even when he's tired. Even when nobody's watching. And he's already scored more than 900 goals. Now he's chasing a number nobody has ever reached. 1,000. This summer, he's playing in his 6th World Cup. Most players never even reach their first. So here's the real question. Why does he do this every single day for over 20 years? Most people think the answer is motivation.
Right? Like he just feels super excited every morning?
But that's not really true.
Wait, really?
His whole career is built on one idea. Discipline matters more than motivation.
Okay, let's slow down. What's the actual difference?
Motivation, a feeling that pushes you to act. Discipline, doing the action, even without the feeling. Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is an action.
Say that again.
Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is an action.
Okay. Here's a simple picture.
Go for it.
Motivation is like a match. It lights up fast, bright, exciting.
But it burns out fast too.
Exactly. After 10 minutes, gone.
But discipline,
Discipline is like a light switch on the wall.
you don't feel excited about a light switch.
You just flip it every single day.
No emotion needed.
Just action.
And this connects directly to English.
How?
Think about your own life. Some days you feel motivated to study.
Big energy, new notebook, big plans.
But 3 days later?
The motivation's gone.
Right. The notebook's closed. The app isn't open.
But that's normal. That happens to everyone.
It does. Because motivation was never built to last.
So, what actually works?
Discipline. Small, boring, consistent action.
Even 5 minutes a day?
Especially 5 minutes a day. Repeat after us. Slowly. Motivation starts it. Discipline finishes it. I don't need to feel ready. I just need to show up. Nice work.
Okay, here's the part people forget about Ronaldo.
What's that?
He wasn't born disciplined. He built it, slowly, year by year.
Yeah, it's easy to think, oh, he's just different, he's special.
But it started small. A teenager skipping dessert at dinner.
Going to bed a little earlier.
Doing one more set at the gym.
Tiny things.
Tiny things, done again and again and again.
For over 20 years.
And that's actually really good news for you.
Why?
Because you don't need to be perfect today.
You just need one small action.
One sentence in English.
One conversation.
One video, like this one.
Repeat it again and again.
There's a saying we love. You don't need motivation, you need a system. A system. A simple plan you follow every time, without thinking too much.
A system means same time, same place, every day.
No excuses.
No excuses.
Say it with us.
Even if you're tired.
Even if you don't feel like it.
Even if it's just for 5 minutes.
Show up anyway.
Now, here's something else interesting about Ronaldo.
What's that?
People criticize him constantly, online, in interviews, everywhere.
Even now? Even at 41?
Especially now. People say he's too old, too slow, finished.
That must hurt.
Probably, but he doesn't let it stop him.
How?
Some people call it selective hearing.
Selective hearing?
It means choosing what to listen to, listening to people who help you grow, and ignoring the noise.
And this is so important for English learners.
Why?
Because some of you are scared to speak English. Because someone laughed once.
Or someone corrected you in front of others.
And that one moment stays in your head.
For years sometimes.
That's the noise.
Yeah, and just like Ronaldo, you get to choose.
You can keep listening to that voice.
Or you can let it go.
And speak anyway.
Even with mistakes.
Especially with mistakes. Repeat after us. I will make mistakes. And that's okay. I'm not listening to the noise. I'm focused on my own progress.
Beautiful.
Okay, let's bring this all together.
What's the real lesson here?
Talent isn't the secret.
Discipline is the secret.
And by the way, Ronaldo wasn't given perfect English either.
Oh yeah, English isn't even his first language.
He learned it slowly, through football, through interviews, through mistakes.
Just like you're doing right now.
So here's your challenge today.
Don't wait for motivation.
Pick one small action.
5 minutes of English.
One conversation.
One sentence said out loud right now.
Actually, let's do that together. Right now.
Okay, repeat after us one more time.
I am learning English.
And I show up every single day.
Say it again, a little stronger this time.
That is discipline.
Before we go, let's remember today's words.
Discipline.
Motivation.
A system.
No excuses.
Show up.
Selective hearing.
Small steps.
7 simple words.
But they can change how you learn.
So here's the truth.
You don't need to feel brave today.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You don't even need motivation.
You just need to show up. One more time.
Like Ronaldo does. At 41, in a World Cup, while people still doubt him.
He shows up anyway.
And so can you.
So here's our question for you today.
Comment one English word below. Just one.
That's it. That's your discipline for today.
One word. One small action.
We read every single comment.
We always do.
If this episode helped you, hit subscribe. It helps more people find us.
And remember,
Talent opens the door.
but discipline keeps you in the room.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep showing up.
Bye for now.